Hello guys, so this is my first YouTube video, and this video is all about what you need to know as a teenager and use it as an advantage over your peers and your friends in your day-to-day routine or daily life. But before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and comment. So let's begin. So before we get started on today's video, I know you may think that I have nothing to offer, that but I will implore you not to judge a book by its cover, and at least give me a chance, and who knows, you may learn one or two things from the video. And I will advise you not to skip around the video, but I've placed it in order so you can get the full benefit while I'm saying it. So let's get started. I'll group this session into two major categories, which are the mental and the emotional aspect, and the physical and health aspect. So under the mental and emotional aspect, one of the things most teenagers don't know or they refuse to understand is reading. Reading helps to enlarge the mind. It's a way of building a better mindset, and through reading you get to communicate with leaders of great mind and ensure you have a steady mindset and a stable mindset. So one of the books I recommend, of those books that I will recommend for you to read, are number one, Atomic Habits. It has always been a favorite one of mine, and it was written by James Clear. Another one I recommend is How to Metamorphosize Your Mind, which was written by Robert Stevenson. And the third I will recommend is How to Win Friends and Influence People. But you can also go on Amazon and download ebooks, which can also serve as a benefit for me. And number two, I'll be talking on the mental and the emotional aspect is the gratitude journaling. When I mean gratitude journaling, this is usually done in the morning, early mornings, or the late evening, as it helps you to reflect on your life and what has life thrown at you. And by writing this, you can just write 5 things you are grateful for in the morning, or if you have chance, you have chance in the evening. You write 5 things that you are grateful for, that and understand. It will help you to build a stronger mindset, and it will help you to be more grateful towards life as a whole. The third thing I will have with life for you to know is meditation. I usually start by using 5 minutes by setting a timer on your phone. Use rest 5 minutes, then meditate straight on and go on. And by meditating, you begin to understand that you have a clear mindset. You begin to think in a way that you normally don't think before. You begin to have a straight line of action and a straight way of thinking. So we are done for that category. Now under the physical and health aspect, I've grouped it into also theory too, things that you should know. Number one is exercise. We usually talk about exercise, and most people think of it as a painful thing, as a painful job. But exercise is usually fun, and it helps you to build attraction for the men. It helps you for attraction towards the ladies, and for the ladies also. And it is also good as it helps you to develop a set of muscles which are very handy when you're carrying some things, and it helps you to build a better physique. And number two thing under the physical and the health aspect is hydration. Hydration is good for the body, as it helps you to maintain acid, salt and water balance in the body. Acid and water balance in the body. It helps to keep your eyes, your nose and your mouth moist, and it helps you to ensure a greater body perspiration level. So hydration also, if we skip all those health benefits, is also used as an attraction also for the men especially. When you hydrate, you begin to see that your body begins to look more defined and more well structured. Your biceps begin to get more thinner. Your skin begins to look cute, and how will I put it, more defined and more structured. And this is only possible through hydration. And the third thing under the physical and health benefits will be under the physical and health aspect, there are 3 major things I've highlighted also here. Number one is exercise. The benefits of exercise are numerous, as they help to ensure a better posture and a better physics, and it also helps in the building of muscle, which can be used for attraction for the opposite gender. And the basic form of exercise I will recommend is the basic pull-up, push-up and squats, as they cover major areas in the body. And I will also recommend a form of cardiac exercise which involves running, swimming, jogging or skipping, and this is usually done at least once a week, as in order to ensure proper blood flow in the body. Number two, I will also like for teenagers to know is hydration. The benefit of hydration also are numerous, as they help to maintain acid water balance in the body. They also help to maintain salt water balance in the body. And the third, they also helps to keep your eyes, your nose and your mouth moist. But the benefit of hydration is helps to reduce bloating, and this just means swelling of the body. When you take water, it helps to know that the body recognize this water intake and it begins to flush out water from the body, giving you a more defined look and structure. And the third I will also want for teenagers to know is to consume whole grain food and multivitamin. This will help for the men especially to build testosterone and help in the attractiveness of them. And this is the last one for today. Make sure you comment about what other things teenagers can also know, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and catch you on the next video.